So once you've got your account with HMRC, that's one thing. So you've got an account, great, but you have to add taxes to the account. So when you log in to your business account with HMRC, you click on the green button and it says add a tax due to your scheme now. So you have to add the tax that you want to add to the account, and it's a separate thing. You've got to add each one. So for example, if you want corporation tax, you've got to add that. If you want to have payroll, an employer's pay-as-you-earn or CIS, you've got to add that as a service. If it's self-assessment for individuals or sole traders, you've got to add that. If it's VAT you want to add, you have to add that. So in this case, we are going to, just in this example, add corporation tax. So you have to fill out a corporation tax return every year with HMRC. In order to fill it out online, you have to add that as a service to your account. So we click on corporation tax, click continue, and then it's going to ask for a few pieces of information. So first of all, it wants the UTR. Now, the corporation tax unique taxpayer reference, it's on any document from HMRC, also called your tax reference, and it's a 10-digit number. So there might be, for example, a number like 623 dash, and then there'll be a number after that. What you want is the 10 digits that come after the dash, if you see that. So you've got to look at your letters and look at the reference number that HMRC put on the letter. And normally when you start a limited company, they write to you quite soon after you've started the limited company to say, this is a notification to say you need to file a corporation tax return. And they'll write to the address that is on the company's house. They write to the registered head office address, and then after you finish your first year, you normally get a letter. So if your year end is say the 31st of December, maybe around end of December, beginning of January, you'll get a letter that says notification to complete a tax return. On that letter, there will be your 10-digit unique tax reference number, and this number never ever changes. So that's really important. So you need that, and then what you need is one of the following. So you either need the company registration number, or you need the registered office postcode, or it's not based in the UK. So I'm going to put in the company registration number, so there's no room for doubt. And then I'll click request access. There we go. So you requested access to corporation tax. You'll receive an activation code in the post within 7 days. So we'll do a follow-up when that code comes through as to how we use the activation code.